Consisting only of two basic components, vivas are simple toys that does not require much input to be made. Their simplicity might suggest that there is not much to them beyond being a showpiece. There is, however, practical uses for it as a toy that can spark the interest of a child. For the construction of a viva, you will need string, bare bottle cap, nail, hammer, metal file. Procedures: flatten the bottle cap using the hammer. Use the nail to punch holes into the flattened bottle cap that are just big enough to pass the string through. Make each hole approximately 3 mm from the edge and along the same diameter line. You now have the optional choice of sharpening the viva. Thread a 44 cm length of string through both holes in the viva and tie both ends to form a closed loop. The viva is now complete and ready to go. Hold the viva string with your index fingers through the respective ends of the loop. Wind up the string by tossing the disc in a circular motion. Firmly pull the string apart, allowing the twist in the string to unwind. You have mastered the viva when you are able to move to the rhythm of the winding and unwinding of the string, pulling and relaxing at the right moments. The circumference of the disc can be sharpened, which is a good idea for anyone willing to accept a cutway challenge. Cutway is a competition between two viva players, where both challengers use their sharpened viva to try and cut the string of their opponents.